पणजे वर्सावळी प्रमाण बुडची न्ही म्हणून पणजे महानगरपालिकेन मुख्य सचिवांक पत्र बरोवन सांतिनेज आणि ओवरे खाडीतलो गाळ बेगिनात बेगीन उसपावपाची मागणी केल्या। तशेंच मिरामार भागात उदक साचता ते बंद जावपाक मिरामार ते कांपाल खेळा खात्या मेरेन नवीन गटार करपाची मागणी पणजी महानगरपालिकेन सरकारा कडेन केल्या अशी माहिती कमिशनर क्लॅन मदेरान गोमंतक टीव्हीक दिली। पणजे वर्सावळी प्रमाण बुडची न्ही म्हणून पणजे महानगरपालिकेन मुख्य सचिवांक पत्र बरोवन सांतिनेज आणि ओवरे खाडीतलो गाळ बेगिनात बेगीन उसपावपाची मागणी केल्या। हालींच सापडिल्ली पुर्तुगीज कालीन गटारां सार्वजनीक बांदकाम खाते आणि उदका स्रोत खात्याच्या वतीन बांदून दिवपाची मागणी पणजे महानगरपालिकेन केल्या अशी माहिती कमिशनर क्लॅन मेदेरा आणि गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना दिली। त्या शिवाय पणजे बुडची न्ही म्हणून हेवी ड्युटी उदकाचे पंप तयार दवरतले। उदक भरलें जाल्यार ह्या पंपा वरवीं हे उदक न्हंयत खाली करतले अशें तांणी सांगलें।
90% of the desilting has been completed by CCP of the municipal drains which are there. We have also written to WRD to undertake desilting of the nalas which are there and creeks in Panjim. See, what happens is that the municipal drains, they empty into the creeks and the nalas which are there. Now, these nalas and creeks are supposed to carry the water to the river. So that desilting has to be carried out. So we have written letters to WRD requesting them to take up that work. Also, like on 18 June Road and in front of CCP and all, there is a drain, old drain, a Portuguese era drain, which connects to the Mandavi River. So recently, the Honorable Mayor has written a note to the Honorable Chief Secretary requesting that either PWD or WRD should take up this work of reconstructing this old drain which is there. It's quite a deep drain, a massive drain which carries water which comes from Altin right to the Mandovi River. So if that drain is constructed, all this perennial water logging you see sorry on 18 June Road will get solved.
रोखडोच येवपा आशिल्ल्या मॉन्सूनाक तोंड दिवपा खातीर पणजी महानगरपालिकेच्या कार्यक्षेत्रांत येतल्या गटारां उसपुपाचें काम 90% पुराय जालां अशें तांणी सांगलें। पूण जो पर्यंत वयली कामां जायना तोपर्यंत पणजी बुडपाचे प्रकार थांबतले काय ना हे सांगप शक्य ना। ओवरे खाडीच्या तोंडार माती साचल्या जाका लागून पावसांत पाटो बुडटा। हो गाळ काडटकीच पाटो बुडपाचे प्रकारूय थांबतले अशेंय तांणी सांगलें।
Water logging in Miramar which takes place, in Stella Maris, there water logging takes place. The natural slope over there is from Miramar Circle towards to the sports department. At sports department, next to the sports department, there is a creek which connects to the Mandavi River. So again, a note has been moved by the Honorable Mayor to the Chief Secretary, requesting to take up that work, construction of a drain from Miramar Circle to sports department. That is a natural slope, that's a natural gradient. So once that drain is constructed, the water which comes at Miramar Circle and those colonies over there, that water will flow here to this creek which is there next to the sports department. Now that creek will have to be taken up by WRD because it's under them. So these works, once they are carried out, the problem of flooding or water logging as you see will get solved. Now currently what we intend to do, I mean that train may not come up before rain, it's not possible. So the technical cell is going to keep heavy duty pumps maybe at collectorate wherever possible there to pull out the water. So if those pumps are put, if the water remains for 30 minutes over here, if the pumps are put, maybe within 5 minutes the water will get pulled out and it will be released into the river. Also we have asked for dredging, desilting of the Ore Creek so as to reduce flooding or water logging in Pato area, those areas, because there, as we have seen, the water from Pato which flows to the creek gets obstructed because of heavy silt at the mouth of the drains over there. So we had returned to Captain of Ports. They have said they cannot take up the work. They said approach WRD. We have written to these concerned departments. So as far as desilting is done, carried out, municipal people have carried out desilting of the drains which are under our control and jurisdiction. We have requested other agencies also to do their work. So we have requested Smart City Corporation also to take up certain measures to mitigate these issues.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नाईक।